Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Did you know that the tiniest foods can hold the greatest power? Seeds, for example, can transform your health, but some of them also hide surprising dangers. Let's talk about 4 powerful seeds you should eat for optimal health and 4 seed dangers you need to watch out for. Let's start with the seeds that pack a punch for your health. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. These nutrients promote heart health, better digestion, and steady energy levels throughout the day. Sprinkle them into your smoothies or oatmeal for an instant health boost. Next up, flax seeds. These seeds are rich in omega-3s and lignans, natural compounds with anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. Add ground flax seeds to your yogurt or baked goods for a simple way to support your heart and brain health. Known as pepitas, pumpkin seeds are full of magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. These nutrients improve sleep, support prostate health, and slow down aging. Enjoy them roasted as a crunchy snack. Lastly, sesame seeds. They're a fantastic source of calcium and sesamin, a compound that reduces inflammation and protects your liver. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or even your favorite bread recipe. Not all seeds are safe, though. Let's uncover the risks you might not know about. Did you know apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin? When digested, it can release cyanide, a toxic substance. Eating a few seeds won't harm you, but avoid consuming large amounts. Raw castor seeds contain ricin, one of the most dangerous natural toxins. Even a small amount can be fatal, so never eat these seeds raw. Raw kidney bean seeds are high in lectins, which can cause severe stomach issues if not properly cooked. Always boil kidney beans thoroughly before eating. While processed poppy seeds are generally safe, unwashed or raw ones can contain opiate residues, leading to unwanted side effects like drowsiness or confusion. Consume them in moderation. Seeds are nature's powerhouse, tiny but filled with incredible benefits. From heart-healthy chia to calcium-packed sesame seeds, they can truly elevate your well-being. But remember, knowledge is power. Be cautious of the hidden dangers in apple, castor, and raw seeds to stay safe and healthy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. See you next time.